To use, simply pull out the hose. To use, simply pull out the hose. Attach a cleaning tool and go. Twist the hose to release. The Chameleon puts itself away and turns off automatically. Handle an automatic lock and turn off. Once you have it, you won't know what you did without it. Retractable hose to bring the cleaning power of your central vacuum directly to the mess.
Vacuuming in the garage has never been easier. Vacuum to your garage, car, workshop, and more. Unlike other garage vacuums, Vroom Retract Vac features a unique retractable hose.
To use, simply pull out the hose.
Vacuuming in the garage has never been easier.
Attach a cleaning tool
Vacuum
and go.
to your garage,